Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. 2019 is the year of consistency. I'm going to be rolling these videos out hopefully back to back because that's the goal. So today's look is going to be super simple, well, my version is simple, but definitely chic, so stay tuned. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and look out for my new content because I have a new lash line rolling out in May 2019 and you are not gonna want to miss this, sis. Like when I tell you it's gonna be amazing, dramatic, and not expensive. It's gonna be standard pricing for quality lashes that you're able to use over and over and over again. Now on to the look. I love Anastasia's brow pencil. I've used Wet n Wild's brow pencil. It's like $5 or $6 and you can get it in the drugstore and it's just as good as this pencil, but for some reason Anastasia pencil, I just like the way it carves out a tiny bit more. But if you're looking for something cheaper, that totally would be your thing to get. Now I'm just carving out my brows. I'm not using a brush for this because the LA Pro Girl concealer, the tip or applicator is so seamless that I just use that. And then you'll see me blend it out after. And I just love natural brows. I don't like my brows too dark, so you won't see me fill them in like OD. I'm going to use my MAC bronzer as eyeshadow because like I said, this look is going to be simple. Well, simple to me is glitter, but it's going to be quote unquote simple, so I don't want to do super dramatic eyeshadow. It's going to be very neutral base. So I'm just going to blend this out and then I'm going to pack on, I think it's like a pinkish glitter. It's chunky though. I got it from Amazon. It was like a set. So it is pink and rose gold. And it's beautiful, like so reflective. So I think you guys will really like this look. Now I'm going to go in with my Stila eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is perfect on the go. Like literally it dries in like 10 seconds. I'm putting my NYX glitter glue on and it's going to just make sure that this chunky glitter stays on as long as possible and looks seamless when I blend and give you these reflective vibes, sis. Going in with my Smashbox photo primer. I got this for my Sephora bucks because I was not paying $20 for primer. But I got this Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in caramel. I got it when she had her Black Friday sale, I think. So it ended up being like $15. These are actually a really good thing to have in your makeup kit because they're very versatile. I use them for highlight, contour, and for foundation. So definitely recommend copying Anastasia's foundation sticks. Just a really quick tip for anyone who has dark eyes like I do. Always use an orange concealer and then a concealer like 2 or 3 shades lighter than your skin complexion, and I promise you will not have bags or any like shadows under your eyes, because I do it all the time and under my eyes look amazing when in real life I do have bags. So that's just like a little tip just in case you guys have that same problem. Now I'm using Anastasia's foundation stick in Expresso, I believe, just to contour around my face, around my lips, you know, the usual places. I just started contouring around my lips because I like the way that it gives a dimension. It does make my lips look a little bit bigger, but that's not what I do it for because I naturally have big lips. I kind of do it just for that sculpted look, so it's totally up to you if you like it. I definitely say try it because you'll be surprised at how much of a difference it makes. Girl, because I'll lose 10 pounds with this contour, child. Talk about a diet. Who needs a diet when you have contour? These are my lashes in Trap Star. They are like probably the most simple lashes out of my line, and that shows you how dramatic these lashes will be, which I love. Make sure you guys go cop them at JJuheardCosmetics.com, and you follow the brand page at JJuheardCosmetics on Instagram. I'm telling you, we're gonna take over the world. It's gonna be one trap city at a time. We're gonna convert everybody to this trapology. No, but for real, y'all, like, these lashes are life. Like, I tested them for months, which is why it took me so long to finally launch them. I've been testing them for like 5-6 months just to make sure that they were gonna last, that they weren't some cheap, like, you know, BS that you buy in the drugstore. Like, these are amazing. Like, they're top quality and they're reusable up to 20 to 25 times. So make sure that you guys go ahead and cop these on May 1st when they launch. Artist Couture's highlight is probably my favorite highlight right now, aside from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I caught it on sale because it's actually really expensive for highlighter, but I got the sample ones. So I think it was like 3 different shades, but it was like $25 instead of spending $25 for one big ass highlighter. So I definitely recommend copying it. But if it's not in your budget, don't stress it. It's not like that groundbreaking, but I just really like the pigment with it. So I'm contouring my lips, and I'm using this MAC pink lip gloss. I think it's in Cream Buttercup or something. It's more pink than I originally thought. I wanted to do a nude lip with this, but the pink just happened to fit, so I kind of just went with the flow of this pink rosy lip. And this Pat McGrath Lush Gloss, oh my god, bitch. It really sets off this look. I just love Pat McGrath, and I also really love her lip glosses, even though they're really expensive. They're $20 something. But, oh gosh, she's been breaking my bank. But guys, that lip gloss is freaking everything. I would say the most compatible lip gloss would probably be like MAC's Dazzle Glass. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please make sure you hit subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can still see this dope ass content I got pumping out, and follow my Instagram at JJuheard. Love you guys. Bye.